Good day, I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to speak Malay or Mandarin?
Not, no, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Friends only, ma'am.
Okay, so always remind yourself that you come here to work, okay, and not to find more on friends. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Sorry, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Okay, if you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
I'll agree, ma'am.
This is not your first time working abroad, right? I saw in your
Yes,
profile
ma'am.
that you've been working in Malaysia for quite so long. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you still choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong? You know that
No,
Malaysia
ma'am,
got
because
lower salary, right?
I know, ma'am.
So why did you still choose to come and work here?
Because I love Malaysia, ma'am. Because I know already
The
I know
culture
already the roles, ma'am.
and the rules and the employer's preferences, is
Yes,
it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Jaquilo Jane Capol Valera. I'm 40 years old. I came from Villamor Manzano Street, San Baguette, Abra, and my status is a single. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have two kids, boy and girl. The boy is 21 years old and the girl is 16 years old. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single with live-in partner, single parent?
Single parents, ma'am.
You don't have boyfriend.
Don't have, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When is your
Just
birthday?
only focus the children, ma'am.
Okay, very good. When is your birthday?
Oh, July 25, 1984.
What is your height and your weight?
4'5".
Huh? 5'4" or 4'5"?
4'5". Ay, 5. Sorry, ma'am. 5'4".
5'4". What is your weight?
63 kilos, ma'am.
Okay, so you are a Roman Catholic and you also a high school graduate, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here?
My sister,
How many brother and sister do you have and what is your rank in your family?
my just only 3 sister. Only, ma'am. I have.
You don't have brother?
I'm the. Don't have, ma'am.
So what is your
I'm
rank
the
in your
elder,
family?
ma'am.
You are the eldest. What about your parents?
My parents is my my mom is only die already, but my parents is still
How old is your father and what is his occupation?
60 years old. She's senior citizens already, ma'am.
Okay, so Ate, you know already what are those employers' preferences when you work here in Malaysia? Because this is not new for you working here, correct? You already got to
Yeah.
experience, according to your profile, that way back 2017 to 2019, you have a working experience here in Malaysia for 2 years and you finish your contract also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it Chinese family?
Chinese family, ma'am.
Which place you were designated before?
In Paragon Heights.
Okay, so can you share it
In
with me?
Quezon.
What are your duties, your previous employment here in Malaysia way back 2017 to 2019?
In KL also, ma'am.
Yes, so what are your duties, your previous employer in Malaysia way back 2017 to 2019? Your first employer.
My first employer is we have one kid only, 6 months, ma'am,
Okay.
and the last is uh
So what
60
is
years
your
old.
working, what are your duties there? To your first employer, you take care an infant which is 6 months old, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
While taking care of this infant, you also do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, ma'am. Both.
What happened? Why you didn't renew your contract with this employer, to your first employer?
I go back to the Philippines, ma'am, because I take care of my child, two child, and I
Okay.
stop and then
Okay, so after that, you go back here in Malaysia way back 2022 to 2024, and you also finish your contract, is it?
this finish,
Is
ma'am.
it still a Chinese employer?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your duties here in this second employer?
And elder already, ma'am, 60 years old,
Is it female
up,
or male?
female, female, ma'am.
Okay, so while taking care of this elderly, you also do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Did you do the gardening, car washing?
Yes, all around, ma'am.
Gardening and car washing.
Yes, ma'am. Gardening and car washing, ma'am.
Okay, so what happened? Why you didn't renew your contract here?
Uh, because he said, ma'am, you don't like already the maid
Hmm.
because she have already the go to the Singapore, stay in Singapore so that he don't need a maid already.
Oh, she migrate in the Singapore lah.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, okay. So ate, you need to be flexible. You need to be multitasking. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Okay, ma'am.
Once you come to work here, we don't want that you will going to compare your first and second employer to your recently employer. Because you know
Oh
that
yeah.
every employer just got different rules and regulations, okay? We need to humble ourselves. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing, okay? We
Okay.
need to
Yes,
follow
ma'am.
the rules and regulations, and we need to respect the employer's culture at the same time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. Both.
Can you take your children also?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook
Just a little bit, ma'am.
a little bit? But you are willing to learn some new recipes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Bedridden, not so, ma'am.
Yes or no? It's just a yes or no.
I know, ma'am.
Okay. Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
No, ma'am.
No, also. So you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. We don't force people to come here, okay? You are the one
Okay,
who
ma'am.
wanted to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to have a better future for your children. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, but if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. It means in our contract right now, we have 1,800. But if you will work, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Your previous employer, you can hold your phone for 24 hours?
Okay, ma'am.
No, I am asking you. To your previous employer, first and second, can you use your phone for 24 hours?
Not so, ma'am.
Can you go out on your rest day also?
Yes, ma'am. Just only 1 month we have one rest go out.
Okay, but here we need to stick with our no go out policies, okay? If you agree, then you can come, but if you disagree, then better stay in the Philippines or maybe find another job opportunities to other countries, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
How do you fight your homesickness?
Sickness, ma'am, is okay, ma'am. I'm already. Uh, I know
Used,
already, ma'am, because
you're already
I
used
stay
to it.
already. Just just do the work, ma'am, so that no homesick
Oh, so you will just focus on working.
for working.
Okay, so Jackie, I think that's all. Thank you for now. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay
Thank you,
connected through
ma'am.
WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Have
you
a
so much and have a good
good day,
day.
ma'am.
Bye.